morning, friend. Today I am going to discuss about the why organizations should be hire the competent people for monitoring the health and safety management system at your at an organization, because this is important to know all us regarding the health safety system. So guys, why management should hire to competent and well knowledgeable safety managers and safety officers for monitoring occupational health safety. So guys, first we will think about the what is importance of safety at an organization, so that try to hire a good safety managers. So guys, three things will be considers about the need of qualified safety officer, because safety is responsibility for everyone. So organizations to hire the dedicated safety persons well knowledgeable, because of organizations think and reduce the occupational health safety management systems risk hazards and behaviors, and others criteria should be considered for maintaining a good health safety system at in organization. So if a company suppose that company demonstrate and express by the EHS policy and some guidelines of related the safety, manual of safety, plans, inspection checklist, legal list of legal requirements, that all are considered and all are who are monitor that things, so that organizations hire a good knowledgeable safety managers for implementing and systematic approach to work at in your and projects and organizations and different projects, so that monitoring. Suppose that a safety managers should be responsible and accountable for improving of safety cultures in process business of process, and which are plans which are set up by the organizations related the health safety. So guys, this is main purpose of hire the good and dedicated safety officer for monitoring the health safety system and approach to proactively improvements, which are safety policy expressed by expressed by managing director, so that can and smoothly done at your workplace. And health safety practitioners also assist the competent health safety policy, objective, site rules, site safety plans, zero accidents, zero harm policy, that may be considered and proper improvements at project. Assist and plan develops, and if any incidents happen, so that can investigate and find out root cause and improvement for proactively at an organization. So that nowadays every organization had to competent safety officers, managers for monitoring that all are things at organization. So guys, this is importance for all know that what is the criteria of an organization hire a knowledgeable persons, because well knowledgeable and communications skills should be present, and well managing occupational health safety and well experience, and how to handle the emergency situations, well knowledgeable in that case any incidents happen at your at a project, and well communications, and strongly safety improvements can be improvements by discuss, by guidance, by guidance and uh, guidance with the project managers, and who are capable to follow the directions of managing director which are expressed in the OHS policy. So guys, also safety trainings given to all employee and workers, engineers, and directing the safety health cultures at workplace, pushing the a good safety methods, and a list of legal requirement, which are requirement of list of legal, like the BOCW registrations, BOCW labor license, WC policy, air noise monitoring test, and water test, which are everyone know aware about this thing, or no one knowledgeable about this thing, so that organizations had a competent persons as a safety officers well qualified. So list of legal all applicables, time to times update and make a proper safety plans, procedures, inspections checklist, and monitoring, guiding the all staffs and workers, and time to times new any opportunity in markets, then inform to our management to improvements proactively, and he is capable, he will be capable to monitoring all this thing and information time to time by time to time each managing directors for better safety improvement purpose, and make a good presentations like the safety performance and analysis, that data first aid cases and near miss, all these things considers. If that will not happen the same, so there may be no good safety cultures improvement at the project and organizations, because of safety dedicated safety persons, so that hire each and every organizations nowadays searching on media, searching on the Naukri.com, so for good and better knowledgeable, good and well communications and experienced persons who is proactively improvement safety cultures in our organization, and make a good teams in the work project, maybe conducted of safety committee meetings, maybe motivational awards program, and maybe safety campaigns like the road safety weeks, like the 4th March, like the Environment Day. All these things will be considered by a safety professionals at workplace, and each and every persons responsible to do the proactively health safety improvement at workplace, because they are also aware about this about the safety managers strongly improvement safety culture at our organization, so that all workers and staffs also fear to improvements, because of the IJ safety officers also pushing the good safety improvement at workplace, some work stoppage, some work permit cancellations, some restrictions, some penalty imposed, some memo rise due to lack of safety management, lack of safety supervision. So IJ safety managers professionally, if they can improvement proactively and take actions for better improvements. If there is no hires any safety officer, if more than 500 200 worker working in an organization, there is no safety officer, so those are not responsible to there are not responsibility taken to proactively improvement safety cultures. Nowadays, you know that there is many organizations working constructions work there. Lot of problems are there, but no any actions about the safety, because of there is no dedicated safety officers, safety professionals. Because of this is an organization's fault and default to poor commitments of health safety management system. So many organizations which are multinational organizations, so proactively improvements and hire a good knowledgeable safety persons for improving health safety culture. Some, because of you know that if engineers working in his job, then maybe chance of some safety negligence, shortcut. This is a human behavior. Because of you are using heavy machinery power tools, there may be chance of not proper maintenance. Some machinery will be breakdown due to poor maintenance. So safety officers so proper inspection checklist record to be maintained. If any defaulter fault and any problems that can be created and highlighted in meetings and trainings, so that may be chance of reduce of accidents incident at workplace. And also productivity, smooth productivity is ongoing. Because of you know that if any accidents happen at your workplace and any organizations, that may be very difficult to implement safety cultures. And also reputations in markets may be impact. And business also business impact, because of if client listen to client hear any negative things, the organizations comes some news in media, that may be chance of your business process also be decreased and loss of business. So nowadays every employers searching a good health safety cultures, and which are going to proactively improvements. No any mishap, no any bargaining related the safety, no compromise with safety, so that can improvements. So guys, an organization searching a good and well knowledgeable safety officer managers for better improvement of health safety cultures. So that may be reduce of accidents and rate accident severity, and zero harm policy can be improvements. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. Today's ending. If you have any confusions regarding this you can watch the video some others, and you can read the role and responsibility, and also BOCW Act. There is some responsibility are given, and BOCW Act, ISO 45001, NIBOS also, which are students completed the NIBOS, that maybe see that. Thanks.